It's important to ask somebody that you mean, what do you mean by no drama? Because some women will put out no drama on a dating profile because to a woman, if a man cannot hold her when she's upset and listen to her, it feels like drama. That is drama to be cut off by someone you love when you're hurting. That's major drama often. But because guys weren't always given the place to be held in their emotions, they've often gone off on their own, cut off, and gone and just been on their own and distanced. So, what happens often in relationships, if a man hasn't learned how to hold emotion and to become aware of what's going on in his body, because that's the clincher here. When we hold space for somebody who's suffering emotionally, we get triggered inside our bodies. Anything that's not healed within us will come up to be healed at that moment. So to sit there across from somebody who's crying, upset, and not become defensive because you're needing to feel like you protect yourself, but really be there, hear them in their entirety, be able to tell them back what they said.